What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and in this video I wanted to look at workhorse and chargepoint. We have some interesting things to look at on the chart and some levels to check out. And wow, this lighting looks a lot better than my normal videos that are at night or in the morning, so I may have to start posting around this time. But let's have a look at these two stocks, and there's also something you have to check out next week. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I put out daily videos and I appreciate your support. Now, first off, looking at workhorse, I will leave you guys this link down below, but we do have a video coming up next week going into workhorse's drone section of things, so definitely stick around. And looking at workhorse's chart, I've got a couple levels for you to look out for. Keep in mind the low was May 11, and this isn't the only stock we've seen this with. There's definitely a list of other stocks we have seen the low at May 11 on. Something to keep in mind. And something else to think about, it is following this uptrend pretty well. It almost seemed like it was going to break out of it, but it seems like we are in fact breaking out of this downtrend. So keep an eye on this downtrend reversal, this white line here. We are breaking out of it. Watch that we hold this blue line, this ascending support, and I think a breakout of 325 could definitely push us farther. I think that's our next level to break out of. And you will see that besides this one failed breakout, this false breakout here, we did have some huge runs after a breakout of that number, and also some huge drops. So keep in mind that 325 area is going to be important. And next up is going to be this 360 area right here. That's going to be a hard place to break out. We're going to want to see it break up and hold. If we break out of it too fast, it just takes it all back. So I want to see a slow stair step up over this level, not just a high spike over it. Now, there are definitely some higher levels to watch out for, but we'll check them out as we approach them. And next up, looking at chargepoint, this is another one that, yes, hit its May 11 lows. That was our low point, and it has since pushed higher. And if you guys are familiar with this channel, you know that chargepoint just crushed earnings. They beat EPS, they beat revenue. I was happy to see well over 100 million in revenue, and it has been uptrending for quite a while now. One important level I think we're going to have to watch out for is going to be the 1750 area. You'll see that on our pullback, we had a double bottom or a nice W here. The pattern seems like it completed, but I want to see a breakout of about 1750 and a nice hold there. Very many times it has flipped between a resistance and a support. Back here in 2021 of October, it bounced, finally broke back down in January of 2022, broke back out of it towards the end of March in 2022, came down again in April, and finally, for a very short period, broke out in August. I do think we have to break out of that level and continue to hold it. Start consolidating there. I want to see a base formed. That to me would be a great sign. Now, as for the downside, you're going to definitely want to keep an eye on this purple ascending support. Very possible that we could break it if we come towards October under $15. But that's it for you today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.